But you might be wondering, what happened to this box? Look at that. It's like Dumbo sat on it or something, you know? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are going to be unboxing the Samson SR850 headphones. First off, apologies for the glare on the lights that you see here, so you gotta bear with me. Don't worry, later on that's gonna go away. But you might be wondering, what happened to this box? Look at that. It's like Dumbo sat on it or something, you know? What happened to the box? Well, I ordered this online. We really don't know what happens. The time you click on buy and pay to the time you get the actual product, we actually don't know what happens in between. Now, one of the things about this channel is we do the very best that we can to give our honest opinions or honest views, because honesty is still the best policy. And honestly, this box is not fit for unboxing. Look at that. It's like something imploded. Well, that's what you get. That's how it is. You don't buy from a store, you get it online. The chances are you might not get what you want. But again, the thing about unboxing is the box, as much as possible, yes, it is important. But what is more important is what is inside. What is inside. So what you look at the outside, yeah, it does may matter, but not as much as it matters what's inside. Same like in life. It's not really what's important what's outside. It's nice if it looks pretty and presentable and all of that. But what's more important is what's inside. Life lesson right there.
Message!
Okay, so we're gonna open it. I'm gonna get my box cutter right here. Although I don't really think I need a box cutter, but just so that it looks presentable. It's already open anyway. There goes my box cutter. Okay, for this particular unboxing, I'm just gonna rip it open. Okay, so what's inside the box? Well, anyway, well, before I open it, I'm getting too ahead of myself. Let's look at the cover first, if we can. You know, I'm just gonna pull it out. This is one of the most confusing unboxings I've done. So I'm gonna pull it out so that we don't have the plastic, so that there won't be any glare. Did you hear that? That's the plastic on the floor. This is what it looks like from the outside. The SR850, as you can see there. So it's a professional studio reference headphone. Okay, so that's how it looks like in the front. Some guy playing with his guitar. Here's on the other side. So basically, this is professional studio reference headphone. Semi-open, design for enhanced ambient listening environment. 50mm drivers for exceptional reproduction in wide dynamic range. And you've got all of that stats right there. But basically, the reason why I got this is because I'm starting putting together a little studio for myself for podcasting and doing videos like this one. So you need to have a set of earphones that can reproduce the sound well, because you know all these different kinds of earphone, they don't reproduce the sound that well. That's the reason why I got this. Let me just read the headline right here. The SR850 Professional Studio Reference Headphones offer an outstanding listening solution for musicians, sound engineers, and generic music enthusiasts alike. With outstanding bass response and clean, clear highs, SR850s ensure complete comfort and accurate monitoring performance. So basically, if you use this once, whatever you hear on your monitor or on your mixer, the sound is much better. Okay. All right, it's time to check out the actual earphone. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Packaging is not really that good. I'm not really sure if this is the actual packaging, but anyway, so what's inside, and I have to be very careful to pull this out because it's ooh, hold on, wait a minute, hold on. To be very careful I don't scratch this because there's like plastic. Okay, here we go. Ooh, there you go. We'll put this one here first. That's the sound of the box. Still in the plastic, so I'll need to remove this one here. Take that one out, and then this one's also in the plastic. Slowly as I can. Carefully as I can. There you go. Samson SR850, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see from the outside, you have the, this is, it says there L, that means it's left, and R means right. This is a way for you to basically just, you can adjust like up and down like that. There you go. Depending on the size of your head. So if you have a big head, then you can just pull it down or pull it up as such. Okay, and that's gonna fit. And then look at this, it's very nice. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. It's got all this design. Not really sure if this design does help in the listening experience, but it does look nice and cool. From the back, you've got your typical foamy here. Now, one thing great about this is that it covers the entire ear right here. So your ear fits here and here. So when you're listening, most likely the sounds outside here are going to be, you won't be able to hear that because your entire ear is just cupped, which is always good when you're doing sound, reproduction. You're trying to figure out if the sound is good. The make of the headphones, some of these parts are kind of feeling like metal. This part is kind of metal. Plus, what I like also is that if you see here, it kind of moves. Okay, so it also adjusts the angles of your ear with regards to your head. So at least it's not just like, it's flat like that. So it's gonna make some adjustments right there. The covers is more like a leatherette. It's pretty soft right here. So at least when it fits your head, it's not gonna press that hard. In terms of the arc here, that it's very flexible. So at least you can put it on your head and it won't be putting too much pressure, hopefully. Of course, it depends on the size of your head. If you got a big head, if you do have like a big cranium, this is gonna help out. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's pretty good. Look at that. So let's check out the cable. Cable looks like it's pretty long. Not really sure how long this would be, but it looks pretty long. Look at that. Probably about 2-3 meters. Not bad. The tip, look at the tip. The tip has there. So it becomes a small jack, and then you can put this one as an adapter. Plus, one thing I like about this, it's not just a snap-on. You can just twist it and there's like a screw, so it's not gonna be pulled out easily. It's not gonna like that, right? You can't do that, so you have to there. If you're gonna use this for your iPhone or whatever, then you just use this, especially for mixers. There, like that. Now, if you are an audiophile, if you are somebody who's doing podcasts, if you're somebody who's looking for pretty good earphones, then this would be a good match for you. Of course, compared to high-end kind of headphones, in terms of make, in terms of materials and all of that, of course you pay a premium for that. So the high-end ones may feel a little bit more premium. Now these headphones will cost you roughly around more or less $30, which is like 1.2 to 1.5 Filipino peso. Depends on where you're gonna buy it, of course, but it's going to make you shell out around $30 or around 1,300 pesos. For this one. Of course, you might say, why is it so affordable? Some people might say, why is it cheap? Well, of course, if you want to pay a premium on the other headphones, then go right ahead, be my guest. But if you're just looking for a good set of headphones, then this will be a good alternative. At least it's a beginner style or a beginner kind of headphones. And the guys from Samsung really bring out a lot of good products. So this would be a good starter kit for you. Then later on, you can buy other kinds of more expensive headphones. Of course, at the end of the day, it's all about preference. It's not about price, it's about preference. And we're gonna be giving a review of what this sounds like, if it's really good or if it's not. We'll just give our honest opinions. Again, that's the thing about this channel, Curious Tech Life. We're always curious about technology. We're always curious if these products actually live up to our expectations. That's what we do in this channel. We stay curious. We stay tech curious. Not only do we feature stuff, but we feature technology that will help make your life better, because technology is everywhere.
3 days later.
I just want to give you an update on the user experience and the audio quality of the Samson SR850. Guys, if you are looking for a starter headphones without burning a hole in your pocket, this is the headphones of choice. It fits snugly over your head and over your ear. It is so comfortable to use. The pressure is just right, even to the point that you won't even feel like you're wearing headphones for a very long time because it's that comfortable. The headphones fit your head and your ears very well, so much so that you can focus on what you're doing. In terms of audio quality, guys, let me tell you, this is an amazing set of earphones. You can hear the highs, the mid-range, and the lows in peak quality. I was so surprised when I used this because it sounded so good. So regardless of your purpose, whether you are a musician, whether you are using this for podcast editing, sound editing, video editing, or you're just an avid listener of music, once you put on the headphones, the SR850 from Samson, you are going to love the experience. Now, of course, don't just take my word for it. Go ahead, grab one, test it out, and let us know what you think about these amazing headphones from Samson. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the Samson SR850. Please be sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, and also comment if there are some things that you want to see. We'll see you soon.